Start your computations.
So this is what my room looks like when you first walk into the door. There's a closet on the right. I have my desk right there and my bed and a window. In my closet, I have all my clothes, like all my jackets are on this side, sweaters, pants, and t-shirts, tank tops. Yeah, I pretty much hang most of my clothes, and I just have like random storage containers down there. My laundry basket I put in my closet, and like stuff I use to do laundry. On the back of the closet I have the shoe organizer that I use just to like organize some things. It's really handy because you can put a lot of things in here. Like I have some medicine, I put my socks over here, and I just hang my purse up here. I also have another one of those over the door hangers. So yeah, and then moving on, I have some vinyls that I painted up on the wall next to my desk. The desk looks like this. It has a shelf thing on the top. There's that thing that pulls out, and a couple of drawers down here. So up here I put a letterboard that I got as a gift. I'm pretty sure you can get one on Amazon. I have some cups that I painted, a jar, this little calendar from Muji. These string lights are from Target, and this fake cactus is also from Target. I have
think we're getting into a weird area
this
here.
wire organizer also from Target, and I just have like blue books and my bullet journals in there. I have a little string of pictures that I put up. Here is all my stationery. So I have all my super tips in this organizer that I got from Home Goods. I have a lot of pens in this organizer, acrylic organizer that I got from Amazon. I have my mild liners here, my mild liner brush pens here, this mirror that I got from IKEA. This is my like skincare and contact solution stuff. I have like daily makeup. This organizer is from Daiso, and this one is from Miniso. There's a tissue box and a power outlet strip, and this is really convenient because like I don't have to go under my desk to plug in my laptop every time. I have this lamp also from Amazon. So this is the part that like pulls out. I just have some folders, my planner, some more skincare here. Over here, this is also a little pull-out section. I don't really use this one that much. I have some more stationery stuff up here, like washi tape, staplers, tape, post-its. Over here is where I keep most of like my camera stuff, power bank, cables, just everything. Down here I have some folders, extra notebooks, binders,
I think we're getting into a weird
paper.
area.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it for this section of my room. On this other wall, I have these things that I put up. All three of these are from Target. This is just a marble whiteboard. I have my schedule written on there. Just like these little fun like note card things. Polaroid pictures. I have all my earrings hung up on this gold wire thing, and like a little collage on my corkboard. I just have some like things that my friend painted for me, pictures, pins, postcards. And then I have my window over here. It's like pretty gloomy out today, but...
Start your computations.
And over here is my bed. I'll just step back a little. So on this wall I have a Polaroid wall. Over here is my flower wall. I basically like DIY'd this. I got these curtain lights from Amazon, and these flowers are from Walmart. They all came together like in a bunch, so I just cut them up into single flowers and I clipped them onto the lights and taped everything like onto the wall, and they stuck on pretty well. Like they've been up for 6 months I think, and I don't think
I think we're getting
they're
into a
going
weird
to
area.
like fall off or anything. And I use like command hooks at the top to hold my string lights up, and it's just plugged in. Back here there's an outlet, and these lights have a bunch of different settings, so this is just like the still one, which I usually like it on. As for my bed, I have this extra blanket from Costco. My bedding, like the duvet cover and the sheets, are from Macy's. I think this one might be from IKEA. And below the bed, like, so the bed is like a little bit lofted. There's like storage down here. I have like my underwear and pajamas in that drawer. I have some makeup and toiletries, my hair curler. And this one,
Start your computations.
this one I just have like some tea, paper towel, snacks, just like random things. And this one I have my towel, extra Tide Pods, extra contact solution. And lastly, in this little like section, I just keep all my shoes down here. Yeah, and I just use the shoe boxes to like put some up there so it's easier for me to reach. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my room. I mean, it's a pretty small room, but everything fits and it's plenty of space for me, so yeah. I hope you enjoy.
I think we're getting into a weird area.
Bye.
Maybe